This is Chris Wooten with Wooten Injury Law in Huntsville, Alabama. Today we're here to talk about subrogation. This is a term that attorneys and insurance company representatives throw all around all the time, but most regular people, when they hear the term subrogation, they're like, what the heck are you talking about? Subrogation is a legal term that basically means an insurance company getting its money back. So where this usually comes up the most is if you look down in the fine print of your health insurance contract, whether it's Blue Cross Blue Shield, Aetna, or even Medicare, Medicaid, or TRICARE, Cigna, buried down in your insurance contract is what's called a subrogation clause. That is a part of the contract that says if you get hurt in an accident, your insurance company will pay for all of your medical care. That's covered. However, if the accident was someone else's fault and you pursue a claim against them, your insurance company has a right to get their money back. That's called subrogation. You can also see it if you're involved in a car wreck and your insurance company uses your own collision coverage to pay for the damage to your car, but the wreck was actually someone else's fault, your insurance company may pursue a subrogation claim against the other person or their insurance company in order to get the money back they paid for your car. So this is something that anytime there's any kind of insurance claim or any kind of injury claim, subrogation is something that you want to make sure gets taken into account, because anytime you are negotiating for a potential settlement on an injury claim, you want to make sure that you're taking into account whether or not your insurance company may need to be paid back for what they have paid for your medical expenses. So this is the kind of thing where if you are concerned about the whether or not your health insurance carrier may have subrogation or maybe making a subrogation claim in your injury case, you definitely want to talk to an attorney about that, because that's the kind of thing that if you miss it, it can become a big problem for you later on if your insurance company comes knocking and says, hey, you got a settlement, but we didn't get paid back. So if you've got concerns about an injury case or an injury claim and whether or not there will be subrogation involved, you should talk to an attorney.